dishwasher for you.
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
brother.
Good, good.
Where you want us to put it?
Inside.
Okay. You want us to open it up?
Yeah.
Get out?
So I want to open the door.
You want us to open it up, take it out the package?
Yeah. So you guys gonna help me for fix this one inside?
No.
Just you're gonna put
Yeah,
it.
no, you have to pay for that.
Okay.
You know, if you paid us to do it, we
No.
would do it. But otherwise, it's just a drop off. You didn't order no parts or nothing.
Okay, I got you. So can you put it in my garage?
Is it open?
Yeah.
Yo, we gotta open it up.
Hi sir, how's
What's going on? How you doing?
Good.
If you, oh yeah, then I can do. So can you come inside, please? Don't mind.